If you are looking to launch Google Ads for the lawyers and the law firms, then watch this video because I'm gonna tell you the right methods to launch Google Ads for the lawyers to get clients in 2025. As you can see, so far in this year, we have spent somewhere around 1.5k. I know this is not a very huge amount, but we have just started yet. In this year, I can't show you the data of the last year because there is some idea that I can't avoid. So the one better thing that I can do is like I can show the live stats this time. So if you can see that after spending 1.5k, we got 54 clicks with 841 impressions. Now the one thing that you have to take care is quality over quantity. I don't care about like how many impressions we are getting unless we are getting good quality of impressions. So even after spending 1.5k, we got good number of leads, and not just leads, but those are warm leads. Now we are converting them, and like we'll tell you the percentage after that we got the percentage of hot leads. So far we have got a CPC of 27.70. Now we have launched so far two campaigns. So if I go into the campaign section, then I can show you that we have launched two campaigns so far. So let me just go to the all campaigns section. Then over here you can see that we have launched two campaigns. Now my client is from Delhi. That is why we are only targeting the Delhi location because they are not serving the pan India. So we have just targeted with a budget of 300 rupees per day and 100 rupees per day. That means that on an average we are spending around 400 rupees per day. So as you can see, our optimization score for both the campaigns are more than 80%. The first campaign has 95.1% optimization score and the other one has 83.4% optimization score. We are testing out two different types of campaign. One is the performance max and one is the search campaign. Then at the end of the result, at the end of the day, at the end of the pilot campaign, we will be testing out, we'll be checking out which campaign gave us the better results, either the performance max or the search campaign. Obviously, search campaign will have better results, but still we are testing out different campaigns just to check it out whether our whatever we have anticipated so far will be in our favor or not. So far we have got impressions 8,000. That is clearly like visible to all of us, and that is clearly clear, right? With 497 clicks, and in the search campaign we have got 54 clicks with an impression of 841. Interaction rate is like almost same on both the campaigns, 6.18%, 6.42%. Average cost per click is obviously it will be lower in your performance max than in your search campaign, but search campaign will have better results, right? That is why it doesn't matter like what type of average cost we are getting, unless the average cost that is we are getting is bringing us the best type of warm leads, right? So far we have spent 500 rupees on the first and 1500 rupees on the second campaign. Right now we are not tracking down the conversions due to the technical problem, so this we will fix up very soon with the developer. But as you can see, like we are like continuously talking with the client and like measuring what type of results they are getting. Now the one thing that I want to like showcase to you is like in the insights and reports section, so you can see the search terms. So we have excluded some of the search terms as well. So what I used to do is like figure out in the cost section. So make sure that like the amount that you are getting in the decreasing order. That means that like this keyword has spent so much amount of money, and if you see we have excluded this keyword because we, after analyzing that, we thought that like this is not the right keyword that we want to target. Now the second keyword is getting diverse, so this is the right keyword for which our ads are running. Third is advocate website. For some reason, for some reasons we didn't get the high quality leads, and this is also the broad match keyword. That is why we have excluded this keyword from our search, and then we are going ahead with the advocate website. So now the difference between these two keywords is basically in the volume, as both the keywords are same, but only difference is of the S. But one single difference will make difference in your keywords as well. And if you do not know how to use or how to find out the right keywords, then I have made a separate video, guys. So you can go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ at the rate Rohan Gulati 504. So this is the username that I have. And then you go into the videos section, and this you can see my secret keyword strategy. This video is of 8 minutes. There's a lot of hidden gem in this video, so go ahead and like check this video out. Now all the other keywords that you are seeing: divorce lawyer near me, advocate, free advice, divorce petition by husband, lawyer for divorce, all these keywords are related to my ad. That is why we are targeting these type of keywords. So you can go ahead and like check it out, like by doing your own keyword research, and then you can find it out like which keywords you should run your ads. Now if I talk about the landing page, so most of the clicks that is coming up right now for us is on the home page, because we are also running the performance max campaign. So performance max campaign decides on its own, and you can see that we have got 475 clicks so far. But the major campaign that is running for us is the divorce lawyers in Delhi. And if I just open that campaign, then you can see that this is the landing page once people will click on our ad. So make sure that like your forms are working properly. Otherwise, like what will happen, the user who will come on your website and they won't be able to submit the details, that means that you will lose out the potential lead. So once you get your warm lead, so you need to tell them that who you are, what do you do, and what type of problems you solve. So make sure that like your landing page is up to the mark and solving all the queries that user has. And also make sure to add frequently asked questions, because these are the questions that people usually ask, right? So this is how you have to create your landing page. And you can see that this landing page has got somewhere around 50 clicks at a price of 26.64 CPC, and we have spent somewhere around 1332 rupees on it. That is 1300 INR on this landing page, right? This is our main priority right now. So if you are also struggling to get clients in 2025 for your business, and let's say you are also dealing in the lawyers industry, then we can help you out and launch your campaign with the right set of targets, because we mostly take care about the hot leads and the warm leads, right? Then the third thing that I would like to show is what type of ads we have used. So primarily we are targeting just one ad group inside one campaign. And if I show you the ads that we are using, so we are testing out multiple headlines, multiple descriptions. So you can see that we have figured out like four descriptions so far, and then multiple headlines are there. So primarily we are using all the headlines, but this headline we have used it after checking out like what our competitors are using right now. And then you see that more of the things we will figure it out, but right now it doesn't require. The reason is that we are already at more than 80% optimization score. So once we will see that like we need to improve our optimization score, then definitely we will add some site links, then other assets as well. For example, like promotions, prices, calls. We are already using the call sections, but not the callouts. Call out section as well, but not the other features like lead form, structure snippets, and something like that. So we will be integrating them for sure once we will see that like the average strength goes below, right? It's always better when you like optimize more of your ad, but you have to see what type of results you are getting. So if you do all the optimizations on just one single day, then what will happen, Google will not be able to identify whom you're targeting and what you want to achieve. So like go step by step, launch your campaigns, then observe the behavior, observe the analytics, and then look it out in your analytics as well. Do not forget to check the stats of your website, like how people are scrolling your website. And if you are not using tools like Microsoft Clarity to check the heat maps of the user on your website, that means that you are losing a lot of analysis of your website. So that is where you need to check it out, like how people are scrolling your website and what they are doing on your website. And this is how you can launch your own campaign to get leads in the year 2025.